Hello guys, hello mga KMPs, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm going to share my biggest secret for this month, November. So my birth month. So I earned 12,000 pesos by copy trading from this Telegram group. So my puhunan is 5,000 pesos, equivalent to dollars, $100. So today I earned, yesterday November 15, I earned 12,000. So I gained 7,000 pesos by just copy trading by Iqoption, using Iqoption and joining this VIP Telegram group. So you can click the link in the description so you can chat with him. So it's easy guys. He will notify you if the market is going down or going up. So I think if you're a trader, you will know this thing. So if you're a newbie, you can watch YouTube about Iqoption, and so it's easy guys, super easy. Just chat this guy. He's very great. I trade, I think 4 days of trading with him. I earned this 12,000, I mean 7,000 gain profit by copy trading with using Iqoption. So this is my earning. I'm going to show you guys. So yesterday, November 15, I copy him 4 signals, 1 loss, 1,000 loss, $20, and big profit 2,676, 892, and 1,784. So equivalent to 4,300. So we gained last night, November 15, 4,300 pesos, almost 5,000, almost $100, guys. So yan ka legit trader. So going to wait here. Okay guys, so I started copying him during my birthday, November 9. So I started 500 every trade, so we gained 476. So November 9, during my birthday, we have 4 signal. He gave 4 signal, 3 wins and 1 loss. So 500 each trade, guys. So I'm confident that he is a pro trader in IQ and binary option trading. So I started every trade 1,000. So I gained 951.29 in November 9 last trade. In November 10, 1 signal, we earned 456, and my every trade 500. So don't worry guys, every trade he will tell you how much you will put in your every trade. So 10%, 20%, 50%, 25% of your money in your puhunan. So okay, November 10, November 11, 2 trades, all win. In November 15, yesterday. So today is November 16. So 4 trades, he gave 4 signals. So 1 loss, and we earned 4,300 yesterday. So guys, so this is my real account, 12,399.51 pesos, equivalent to $200 by get. So this is my real account, real account and practice account. So I practice this. This is my practice account. So loss, I practice this. Dito ako nag-practice guys. Real account ko guys. Real account. That's it. And in the leaderboard, pang ano tayo sa Pilipinas, pang 49, 106.86 4 days guys. So okay, total November 9 start 1, November 10 2 days, 11 3 days, So okay guys, 4 days copy trading with him, I earned $7, 7,000 pesos. Oh my goodness guys, this is real. This is not a secret anymore. Okay, 49 tayo guys sa Philippines. That's it guys. If you don't trust me, sayang din. Sayang yung panahon, your time. So my punan is 5,000. Malaki na yan guys. Sa break po tayo guys ha. Busy tayo guys, pero kumita din tayo sideline. So dito tayo sa Bataan ng Kurahe. Yes, Kurahe. So yun guys, yun lang kadali kumita dito sa Iqoption kahit di ka marunong. Hindi ako marunong guys, newbie lang talaga ako. So nag-copy trade lang ako. Nag-copy trade lang talaga ako dito. Naghanap talaga ako sa YouTube kung sino yung who is best in trading and Iqoption. So I found Telegram group, VIP channel. So you can click the sa description below. So that's it guys. 12,000 in 4 days. I mean 7,000 gain in 4 days. How much more if we started early? So make sure when you invest in this kind of platform, make sure it's okay that you will lose. I mean your capital is at risk, so you must use your yung kaya mawala na pera. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you learned something, hit the subscribe button, and if you love this kind of video, like, and don't forget to comment below guys if may natutunan kayo na gusto guys, kumikita tayo at least. So that's it guys for this video. If you want this, okay guys, yun lang guys ha. Wala na iba pa.